So what you think the output of this code will be? Take your time and analyze the output. So you all are thinking the output may be 11 or 12. And why? Because here the I value is 5. What we are doing here is a post increment. So here first the value will assign, then the increment will happen. So here I value is 5. And then it increment the value to the 6. Now I value becomes 6. This is a plus, and here we are doing a pre-increment. In pre-increment, the value is first increased, then the value is used. So currently the value is 6. When it will increment, the value will become 7. And then we will use it. So the output will become 5 plus 7 equal to 12. And in most of the time, either in the online compiler or the offline compiler, you will get output as 12. But this is not the correct answer. If this question come in interview and you will answer 12, that will be wrong. The answer of this question is undefined. Here UB means undefined behavior. What is UB? Undefined behavior. And why this is undefined? Because there is rule in C++ that in one expression, we cannot modify the same variable twice. What we are doing here, we are modifying the I variable twice in the same expression. But C++ does not guarantee that which expression will run first. Either the left one will run first or right one will run first. So the compiler does not have idea about this. So in the C++ terms, this result in undefined behavior. Although if you will compile this code either in your VS Code or online compiler, you will get answer as 12. But keep in mind, whenever we are changing the same variable twice in one single expression, the result will be undefined. The same thing is being explained here, that your compiler may print 12 every time, but it is always undefined. Answer will be undefined behavior. Because C++ does not guarantee the fixed order for evaluating the two sides of the plus operator, which I have told you earlier. Read this carefully. All the things here written, I have already told you in the previous slides. So now what is the fix of that problem? The fix is very simple. Split the logic. Don't modify the single variable in one expression. You can use a multiple expression, like here we are first incrementing the value of I plus plus in this expression, and then in next expression we are using a pre-increment, and then we are simply adding. This is a proper behavior. And in this we can say that output will be 12. Similar thing is happening here. So some key important points we have to keep in mind, that we should not modify the same variable twice in one expression. And if we are not sure about the order, like in this case, after the plus, we are not sure that whether the left side will execute first or the right side will execute first. So in this case, we use a separate statements like what we see in the previous slides. Post increment and pre increment alone is not wrong, but when we combine them in one single expression, then that will become wrong. So keep this thing in mind, and in interview, always say the answer of this question is undefined behavior. That's it for today. Thank you so much.